Bakhona abanye abantu who show up empilweni yakho just to check up ukuthi kahle kahle I just want to see ukuthi sebakuphi empilweni. You know, since ngaphuma kubo, how far have they gone? You know, have I succeeded in destroying this person's mindset? Have I succeeded in making sure ukuthi they lack confidence in whatever it is that they do? How are they suffering? Are they eating before they go to bed? Are they surviving ngaphandle kwami? Bakhona those people that will just show up to check ukuthi progress yakho ihamba kanjani since baphumile empilweni yakho. And once you allow them ukuthi ba-access that path yempilo yakho again, then they start to pull back again and show you ukuthi no, we were just there to see ukuthi kahle kahle kuhamba kanjani ngawo. Now the question is, do you pretend as if izinto zakho zihamba kahle noma izinto zingahambi kahle? Noma do you show them? Sekhaya ngithi mina ake babone ukuthi yes, if you're struggling, you're struggling. You cannot pretend ukuthi izinto zakho zihamba kahle and because wena ufuna ukupleaser omunye umuntu ukuthi abone ukuthi nawe uyakwazi ukuthi uphumelele. Benze babone ukuthi yes, the going is very tough. So that they will see the power, amandla azokhipha kuleyo mgodi okuwona nokuthi basale beyibuza ukuthi kahle kahle uphume kanjani, uphunyuke kanjani. Awuke udecide nje ukuba uphunyuka bamphethe. Bakugubhele bembe, you know, bayitshela ukuthi hayi siqedile ngaye. Kanti yila wena uzobe usuqala khona. And allow the unseen forces to actually play charge and take charge empilweni yakho. Ukubonakalisa ukuthi wena you can be a testament of the good things. From dust, you were able to get up and see yourself through.